Look at that big yellow backhoe. And there's a yellow truck, too. Oh, and a tiny red excavator. And another big dump truck. Where are they all going? Hey, there's a little crane, too. I really wanted to follow them and see what they're building. It's like a big adventure. Let's go and see.
Oh, my God! Where's my baby? Baby! Are you there? Oh, my God! Where am I gonna find him now? Baby! Oh, my God, I'm so scared. The streets feel so big and scary without my baby beside me.
Where are you going, little man, all alone?
I want to see how construction machines work.
Oh, yeah. So I'm on my way there. Hop in my trailer. I'll show you where the construction machines work.
Thanks, mister, for helping me out. I'm ready. We can go. Hey, mister, let me go. I'm scared. I can't see anything.
Oh, my baby, where are you? Answer me. Construction vehicles. Have you seen my kid? He loves construction cars.
We're sorry, but we haven't seen him.
I advise you to contact the police. I'm sure they will help you solve your problem.
Okay, I'll do that. I lost my baby. Please help me, officer, please.
Don't worry, we'll watch the security cameras and find out who did it.
The culprit has been found.
We demand that you stop and give us the baby.
Don't move, you're under arrest.
No!
Crane, please help us get the kid out of here. Be careful.
All right!
Oh, yes.
Oh, my baby, are you okay? Promise me you won't leave me without permission again.
I'm sorry, Mom. I won't do it again.
Truck, help us get this criminal to the police station.
All right!
Subscribe to Toy Zone and give it a thumbs up.